Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to open ISO files on Windows 11. So if you have ISO file right here and it's hard for you to open, and if you don't have a mount option right here, which you can just basically right click and then open it as a virtual CD DVD drive under this PC. Well, what you're going to do here is you have to download a zip tool that can help you open your ISO file. But if you have your zip tool here on your PC, all you have to do is to open this. If you don't have, then I strongly suggest to download zip or 7-zip. All you have to do is to just go to any web browser and then type 7-zip or download 7-zip. Then you should see this one right here. Click the very first link that you can see, and then you will be notified above that it is now starting to download. So as much as possible, download the latest version. So click the very first link that you can see here and make sure also that it's compatible to your Windows 11. So click this first link. You will be notified once it is now starting to download. Once done, go to your start menu and then search for 7-zip, and you need to run this as administrator. So once done, you can now go back to your ISO file on your desktop. So here it is. That is what it looks like. Now go back to your desktop and then locate the ISO file. Right click and then go to 7-zip. Now you can extract this file right here. Tap on OK. You can also set a password if you want. After that, just proceed. And you should see a new folder right here where you can open your ISO file. And basically, that's how easy it is to open ISO files on Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.